A warm good morning to everyone. And today is 28/06/2021 and it is Monday. So let us quickly look at the financial news headlines and welcome to Financial News Made Simple powered by Grow Money Wisely. Will Nifty cross 16,000 this week? 5 things to know before today's opening bell. Domestic benchmark equity indices sit near all-time highs after gaining more than 1% each during the previous week. BSE Sensex is at 52,925, while the 50 stock NSE Nifty is at 15,860. Ahead of the first trading session of the week, SGS Nifty was trading in the green, hinting at some positive momentum for domestic equities. On charts, analysts believe Nifty is still in an uptrend and could chart fresh highs in the coming sessions. A long bull candle was formed on the weekly chart after the consolidation movement of the previous 2 weeks. This is a positive indication as per larger time frame chart, said Nagaraj Shetty, technical research analyst, HDFC Securities. Dodla Dairy, Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences, NTPC, Central Bank, IOP, Jet Airways stocks in focus. Nifty futures were trading 22.50 points or 0.14% up at 15,893.50 on Singaporean exchange. BSE Sensex and Nifty 50 were likely to see a gap up opening on Monday. Market participants will track the progress of monsoon, pace of vaccination, further unlocking of states, movement of Brent crude, investment pattern of FIIs, rupee trajectory, along with other global cues. Analysts expect earnings momentum to accelerate in FY22 as the pace of vaccination has picked up and the economy opens up further. Good monsoon so far also supported bullish sentiments, hence we expect the long-term trend of the equity market to remain positive. Near-time direction of the markets will be determined by commodity price-led inflation and its impact on the interest rates, said Siddharth Khimak, Head Retail Research, Motilal Oswal Financial Services. Stocks in focus is on your screen as they are going to announce their January-March quarter earnings on June 28, that is today. Edible oil imports seen surging 65%. High global prices inflate import bill. Over a third goes to government as taxes. After crude, petroleum and coal, edible oils are threatening to strain India's current account, with imports of these items seen surging 65% on year to $17 billion in the 2020 oil year, November-October, due to the spike in the global prices. Import tariffs on edible oil range from 35 to 49.5% by the government of the India, as 1/3 of the price goes to the government as taxes. Tiger Global leads at $65 million round in the Class Plus. Class Plus, the e-commerce enablement platform for coaching centers, solo tutors and online content creators, has raised $65 million in a Series C round led by Tiger Global, GSV Ventures and the EdTech focused fund, along with existing investors, Alpha Wave Incubation, AWI, which is backed by Disrupt AD and managed by Falcon Edge. Bloom Ventures and RTP Global also participated in the round. India's coal imports rises 30% to 22 million tons in April. Of the total imports in the April, the volume of non-cooking oil was 15.32 metric tons against 12.28 metric tons imported in the April last financial year. Coking coal volume was 4.74 metric tons, up against 3.23 metric tons imported in the April last financial year. India's coal imports rose 30.3% to 22.27 million tons in April amid supply concerns and demand for pre-monsoon restocking of dry fuel. India's crude steel output grows 46.9% to 9.2 million tons in May, World Steel. China remained the global leader in the production of steel in May, registering 6.6% year-on-year growth in the output at 99.5 million tons during the month. India registered a 46.9% year-on-year growth in its crude steel output at 9.2 million tons in May according to the World Steel. The country has produced 5.8 million ton in steel in the same month a year ago. The production of the 64 countries reporting to the World Steel Association, World Steel was 174.4 million tons in May 2021, a 16.5% increase compared to May 2020, the global industry body said in its latest report. Market capitalization of the six of top 10 firms soars over rupees 1.11 lakh crore. TCS Infosys lead gainers. In the ranking of the top 10 firms, Reliance Industries was leading the chart, followed by TCS, HDFC Bank, Infosys, HUL, HDFC, ICICI Bank, SBI, Bajaj Finance and Kotak Mahindra Bank. 6 of the 10 most valued companies added rupees 1,11,220.5 crore to their total market valuation last week, with Tata Consultancy Services and Infosys leading the gainers chart. While TCS, HDFC Bank, Infosys, HDFC, ICICI Bank and the remaining market leaders saw gains in the market valuation, Reliance Industries, HUL Limited, Bajaj Finance and Kotak Mahindra Bank witnessed a decline in their market capitalization, that is the MCAP. Wall Street week ahead as rallying the US stocks roll on, signs of caution grow. The benchmark S&P index, heavily weighted towards technology stocks, is up by 1.8% this month, but the average S&P stock has lagged. The equal weighted S&P 500 is up by 0.3% in the June, with some investors view as a sign of waning confidence in the broader market. So this was a quick update about the financial news dated 28/06/2021. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel Grow Money Wisely for further updates. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you one and all. Have a great day.